Hello, good morning, guys. In this demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can create your assignment, the part one of your assignment, the argument visualization using a software called MindMup. Now, I'm assuming that you have created now your account, and now you are now in the MindMup interface, which is this. So basically, it's pretty simple. I'll just say File. So I'll click on File and New. I'm going to create argument visualization. And it will create first a root node. It will create a root node. Now, it's asking me to press space or double click to edit. So I'll press space and I will now make a claim or a conclusion. Now, my claim is this. I made a claim that computer hacking is ethical. I made that claim. Okay, looks interesting. This is my root node. I can make some cosmetic changes to it. For example, I could right-click and go to node style. I can actually change the background color to my liking. So in this particular case, I'm going to create a root node that has this particular color. I will make it black with a white text there. So I made a conclusion that computer hacking is ethical. Now I can also center the text. So I'll do that. I'll center the text. Okay. Now somebody may agree or disagree with me. Somebody will may agree or disagree with me. So let's first, let's say somebody will agree with me. So they will say, yes, I agree with you. So what do? So I click the root node and I will put here a child node. This child is agreeing with me. So I will click that there. And the support that this child will give me is this. So it says, yes, I agree with you because computer hacking says produces positive results. So that's the agreement. That's the support statement that this node is basically telling me in support of my conclusion that computer hacking produces positive results. Okay, that's fine. Now let me just do some cosmetic changes. I'll center the text. Right click and I will just change the node style. For example, the background color. I'll turn it into blue because it's supporting my argument, and I'll put the text to white. Yes, computer hacking produces positive results. Now, another child is also agreeing with his brother. So I'm going to create a sibling node to this. And the other child is saying, yes, producing positive results is actually ethical. So that's what the other child said in agreement to his brother. So again, I'm going to change the node style. I'm going to make it the color blue and the text to color white. Okay. So we now have two siblings who are in agreement to the conclusion, which is called the root node or the parent node. That computer hacking is ethical. I can make the text a little bit bigger to make it more presentable. But then there are also children who are not in agreement with their parents. They're actually objecting to the conclusion that computer hacking is ethical. So we have two children that are in agreement, and then we have another one who disagrees with their brothers and sisters. So I have to create another child node, but this time this child is in objection to the parent node that computer hacking is ethical. And what this child is saying, um, computer hacking is a violation of privacy. Okay. And we're going to center the text. We can also color this just to differentiate it from its brothers, because it's actually an objection. So I'm going to put that red. It's basically objecting to the conclusion. And another sibling actually agrees with her brother. So this will be a sibling, okay? And yes, it says violating privacy is unethical. That's the other siblings, what the other siblings actually saying. Okay, and I'm going to go to node style and change the color to red and the text to white. There we go. So we now have two siblings agreeing with the parent node and two siblings disagreeing with the parent node. Now, this child node has his own children as well who agrees with him. And so we're going to create child nodes for this node 1, and this is what this other child node is saying in agreement to her dad. It says computer hacking raises public awareness of security holes. Okay, I'm going to center that and change the color to same color as their dad, and the text also. There we go. So this child node is in agreement with the top node that computer hacking produces positive results. This got a brother, so I'll create a sibling, and I will say, and this one basically saying raising public awareness. Raising public awareness, allows administrators to fix security holes. All right. I'm going to center the text, right click, node style, background, blue, text, white, okay. And another sibling is also in agreement, so I'll create another sibling. And another sibling is saying fixing security holes produces secure systems. Fixing security holes produces secure systems. Okay. So again, center that, right click, node style, background, red, text, white, okay. Oh, why did I put red? Should be blue, okay, blue, okay. And one more sibling. So insert sibling node, producing secure systems. Producing secure systems. is a positive result. Okay, now I'm going to center that, right click, node style, blue and white. Okay, there we go. So 4 children nodes in agreement with the parent node on top in support of the conclusion, which is computer hacking is ethical. However, this child node here has, I'm just using the parent-child metaphor, yeah? This child node here uh, is objecting to his dad, that saying raising public awareness allows administrators to fix security holes. He said, I don't completely agree with that. So we're going to create a child node to this node. And it says, yes, you're right, but raising public awareness also informs malicious hackers. So that's my objection to what you're saying. It's not entirely true that what you said is positive. Raising public awareness also informs malicious hackers. Now, because this is an objection to the statement, so I'm going to put a red color on it to show that it is an objection to the statement. So raising public awareness also informs malicious hackers. And another one actually agrees with his brother, that's another sibling, and it says informing malicious hackers, encourages more attacks. There we go. So I'll put that in the middle. Right click, node style, background color red, text white. Okay. And then again, another sibling agrees with his sibling, so that's another sibling node, and it says encouraging more attacks. More attacks on security holes causes harm to the owner. All right, so I'll put that in the middle, or center, node style, color red, text black, a white. There we go. So we now have objections to the support statements. Now, somewhere here, computer hacking is a violation of privacy. We can also write a support to this statement. So we click that and then we put in a child node. So somebody is actually supporting this statement. And it says here that hack systems belong to someone else. So I'm going to put that in the middle. Now, since this is a support to the objection, I'm going to use the blue color because to show that this is supporting the objection. So see, you can object to the support. You can also support the objection. And then this one got a sibling, and the sibling is saying hacking someone's system violates the owner's privacy. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the middle and change the color and the text. Okay, so that's my argument visualization which I need to do for your assignment. It's as simple as that. Now, since this is a free account, I'm not sure whether I can save this, but an alternative to that is for you to screenshot this and then just save that in screenshot into your Word document. So I'm going to screenshot this and open up Microsoft Word. So I will open up Microsoft Word. Okay, so there's a new document, a blank document. Now let me just see if that's been shared in your screen. Okay, Microsoft Word document. Now what I'm going to do is to insert the picture, which is the screenshot of the document that we have created. So there we go. This is the screenshot. Hopefully we got the right, okay. So that's the screenshot. Now we can actually format this picture. Of course, we don't want it to appear showing my face in there. You can actually format it. It's actually simple. Just crop the picture. There we go. Maybe just fix that bit at the bottom. Okay, so there we go. Now, if you want to make the layout or the orientation into landscape, that would be better. Make it a little bit bigger, and that's part one of your assignment. There, as simple as that. All done. And hopefully this demonstration today actually showed you on how to use MindMup software in creating your visual argument. So I will stop the recording now.